Experience a standout blend of heritage and modern style with this Air Jordan 1 design, built on the legacy of the late 1980s classic. The shoe keeps its iconic low-top identity while introducing a fresh mix of pale ivory, deep black, and an energetic razor pink accent that elevates its visual rhythm. A razor pink wing logo on the heel creates a bold 3D effect, contrasting sharply against premium black leather. The midsole comes in a pale muslin shade, balanced by warm cream tones that soften the upper, while the black outsole with fine traction adds both function and density. Beige laces complete the look with a vintage touch, giving the sneaker a clean and structured feel from the top view. Designed at the crossroads of basketball culture and street fashion, this expressive colorway transforms any outfit with subtle contrast, sharp accents, and a modern sense of depth, perfect for style, performance, and everyday wear.